Previous two lectures provided you quite enough information about combination HTML with cascading style sheets to implement a practical solution. Let's take a look at front-end website design principles. First of all, you start with client interview, where you elicitate detailed business description. After which you analyze design approach. You can start modeling your website, after which you develop website, test website, and finally implement it into production. Let's take a look at the practical story which I created for Continental Bank business story, its imaginary business. The Continental Bank, this is a recorded session with client. The Continental Bank financial company is involved in providing and serving wide variety of global financial services around the world. The company has headquarters, offices and branches located in every major continent countries, providing international customers with 24 hours quick financial products to the clients in need. Our customers are coming from different continents, countries and cultures, as we provide a real-time service starting with online web application to receive a service with application. The Continental Bank provides clients not only with regular services for checking or savings account, but offers clients a variety of financial loans in the form of mortgages, credits, education-related liens, and also consolidated insurance bundles for homeowners, automotive, and others, along with coordinated wealth management. Upon online or call application, formal consolidation, and proceeding with underwriting, a customer receives an official confirmation with funds being released and activated in favor. After analysis, a group of full-stack web developers, let's say, came to the following solution. Continental Bank homepage, web homepage, under which there is 4 main sections: client account management, financial management, insurance management, wealth management. Under client, you can create new client account with extended information or login for existing client account into actual account. Under financial management, you can ask for a loan, for mortgage, for extended line of credit, or for education related lien, same as loan. For insurance management, you can take insurance for homeowners, for automotive, for, let's say, you have an outdoor property for outdoor lifestyle, and for family member or members' life and health. For wealth management, there are 3 options. If in case there is a will for the family, it's so-called will management, then inheritance management, and related to wealth management, in case a substantial amount, family members can from inheritance to create a heritage fund. And this is a practical implementation for the website front-end part. Here is a marquee. This is called a marquee. It works like a commercial running in red. I will show you how to create it. Here is Continental Bank homepage. It has 2 objects: client welcome letter, customer service guarantee letter with detailed customer service description. It has about page below, terms, condition, contact us, appointment, disclaimer, and copyrights here, all located in footer section. In header section, you have a marquee and following existing customer account or create new account, financial section services for equity collateral loan, fixed term mortgage, flexible credit line, education help lien. For insurance, you have homeowners insurance, automotive application insurance, outdoor lifestyle, family life and health. And for wealth management, you have will management, inherited real estate, heritage foundation. Let's start explore it. Let's go to above in a footer. Let's go to about screen. I'll click on link. I specifically designed in different lifestyles in different styles so you can compare. I go to terms and condition right now. Here's a different outlook in a different font and everything. Then I go to contact us in a footer, company contact information, schedule, you can book an appointment below button, an appointment, you have a specific date picker element. Let's go to appointment. It was contact us, this is appointment. Appointment is different outlook slightly, you can book an appointment button below. However, for actual appointment, there is a date time picker. You can select a date, you can select time, you can select exact time. There is a disclaimer page. I click on disclaimer. I specifically designed in dramatic colors just to show you the wide variety of opportunities with cascading style sheets. Now, let's go to existing customer account on your top. I click on existing customer account. Here we are. We can provide a username, email address, and password. Obviously, email address, it should have @ and password, if you start typing, goes in asterisks. If you try to log into account, there is an error. If you make something like that, and password. Right now it's not an objective. You can create new account. I'll click on create new account. There is a form, create new customer account with field set. I will show you already aware about it, where you can find first, middle, last names, contact email address, create password, confirm password. What's your current status? Let's say a variety. You can be student, working, business owners, home master, retired, or in service. Anything basic. What's your financial situation? It might be like dependent, independent, property owner, renting owner, or so on. And what kind of account are you opening? You can check checking, savings, or so on. There is wealth and investment account, basically speaking. Let's go back. On financial, let's go to home equity collateral loan. Here it is. Fill up account information on your application. Loan additional information. Now, which country you coming from? I made a demo international. What kind of bank account are you already holding with us? Means with Continental Bank. You can say checking, savings, like investment account. What kind of assets do you have? You might have real estate, valuable collection stock inheritance. What kind of debts do you have? It's also there are assets and liabilities. You might have mortgage paying, you obviously have some credit card and might have line of credit. And some basic information. Are you male or female? Are you existing customer or new customer? And you submit bank loan application. Why do you think existing customer and new customer? Let's say a customer has only checking account, but you might be applying for saving account. So you're submitting another application. Financial, equity collateral loan, we just been there, fixed term mortgage. Same familiar to you sections. Mortgage additional information section. Select applied mortgage account. There are some fixed values for what type of for what mortgage amount you're applying. Select fixed term. That is from 5 to 30 years with 5-year periods. Select mortgage rate interest. There are some fixed rate interest. Obviously, in real life, it will be an input field. I set it like that. Okay, once again, what kind of bank account holding? What do you have? What do you owe? Assets versus liabilities. And some customer personal information. Let's go back. Let's go to credit, flexible credit line. This is flexible credit line application. Select apply credit line amount, preset values from 5,000 up to 100,000. Credit line means negative value, so it comes with minus. Select credit line, preset flexible term. It could be for 5, 10 or 15 years, nobody will give you for more. Select credit line, rate interest, also preset values. Same familiar information for you. Now, let's go for education help lien. Personal education lien information. Select education level which you attempt to achieve, like college, institute, university, some private vocational establishment, or some professional trade course. Select your education degree which you're trying to achieve. Right now, you might be an applicant, full-time student, or part-time student. Select applied education preset lien amount. Also from 5 to 100,000. For example, for college, you might get from -10 to -30, and for lawyer, doctorate, and so on, or chartered accountant, you might get up to 100,000. Select education lien term. It is normally that students are not able, after graduating from secondary education or higher education, they are not able to pay right away. So they start paying back after 10 years. At least in my country, it's like that. After 10 years, or after 50 years, or 25 years, okay? Select education lien rate interest. It is usually in normal countries, it's mandatory that educational related loan or lien rate interest will be specifically low. Let's say not more than 3%. Or, for example, they don't have interest at all. So it's gonna be 0%. Same familiar for you information. Assets versus liabilities. And some personal. And you can submit education loan right here. Okay, let's go to insurance. Let's visit homeowners. Homeowners insurance, right here. Select property type. What kind of property, guys, do you have? detached, semi-detached townhouse condominium. You might live in skyscraper or outdoor summer house, log house, rental apartments. Somebody might have villa or live in country farm. Select property insurance amount. It could be up to 3 million, let's say preset. If something small like log house could be $50,000, skyscraper probably around these values. Select property insurance amount. Here and some basic information, and you may submit home insurance application. We go to automotive insurance application, select auto brand type. I just preset some values without big dive into them. Select auto year made, I started from 21 only to 25. Select auto insurance amount. Let's say this type. Driver type, owner or lease, it could be lease. Select auto condition, brand new, used car or antique car. I really would like to have one. And you can submit automotive insurance application. Let's go to outdoor lifestyle. Also, outdoors lifestyle insurance application. Select property type. You might have a lot of variations here. Summer house, log, lake house, marine house. You may own a piece of property in a specific resort. You might have some villa or some farm, who knows, with personal information familiar to you, and you can submit outdoor insurance information. Let's go to family members life and health insurance. Sometimes, and it's really recommended, you might protect your family members. So it's family life and health insurance application. Select family insurance type. Family member life, all family members recommended. You might want to life only, health only, or both bundle life and health. Select some amount to which you wanna be insured, and you might submit life health insurance application. Now let's go to wealth management. Sometimes people are getting an inheritance and it starts with will management. Will management service. Please book a legal appointment to receive a service. First of all, it should be face-to-face, not over the phone usually. What kind of legal assistance do you need? You might have lawyer, paralegal, real estate specialist if you inherited some real estate, will specialist. You might ask help to create a trust fund or heritage foundation, mutual fund specialist, investment, family trust, or in case you inherited, God forbid, debts, you might need debt consolidation specialist. Here you need to set a legal appointment with date and time picker here. And so on. You can submit will appointment to receive an actual service. After which, if in case you inherited some real estate, you might go to real estate to book something with a real estate specialist. Also same, legal appointment to receive service. What kind of is gonna be obviously in this case real estate specialist. You might select anything you like. There is a legally working hours and submit a state appointment. And finally, you can go to create in case you have like a good lump sum. Heritage or Trust Foundation, you can create it. Heritage Foundation or Heritage Trust Fund and so on. There are many of them. Select it's probably Heritage Specialist or Trust Fund. Select whatever you like there and submit Heritage Foundation appointment. So this is your website, and in the next lecture I will go in detail for each page design. See you in the next lecture.